this video I'm going to show you how we can export a portion of an raster image into our Google Drive. So for this example I have chosen annual NDVI value of the value datasets which derived from the Landsat dataset. So first of all we have to create import an image variable through an image variable, the required dataset, and then we can get the user ID or the image collection ID from here, and then specify the what image we are importing here. So we can give that as the 2014 annual NDVI value, and then we have to specify the area which we need to consider the importing. So for that I have already created the geometry or ROI, and now I am going to convert that ROI into a feature collection, and we can specify the which feature geometry that we are using to create the feature collection. So in here I am going to give the geometry name or the ROI which we previously drawn, and then we can write the ROI NDVI variable and assign to click the 2014 NDVI value. So in here what we are doing is that we are specifying the region of interest that needs to clip the original data set. Then we can write the export command. So we can use the export.image to drive, and we can specify the image that we are going to use here, so which is ROI NDVI. And then we have to specify the other arguments also. So you can give a name also. And then the scale. Here we are specifying 30 because we know the Landsat data set scale is 30 meters. So now you can the code is finished writing, and then we can also view the portion of the NDVI by writing at the function. So let's run the program. So now you can see inside the region of interest the image is visible. So if we untick the ROI, you can see the image has been imported to the Google map. So under task it creates a task here, so we can run that task and we can specify where we need to save the image. So we can select the drive and then create a drive folder. So for this example we will just choose NDVI 2021 and then 2014, and then we can specify the task name as NDVI also. So it will create an NDVI 2014 drive folder in your Google Drive, and the file name will be test drive NDVI. So we'll run it. So you can see the task is running right now. It might take some time. So now you can see the NDVI task has been completed. Now we can go to our drive and see whether it is visible. So we can refresh it. So in here you can see the test drive to NDVI 2014 file has been created. So likewise we can export portion of raster, so data sets from Google Earth Engine to our local drive. So see you in the